welcome to Chart of the Day Cafe for Tuesday, December 1st, 2015. Wow, I can't believe it's December already. Just going to read our disclaimer quickly. Trading stocks is a high level of risk and viewers should complete their own due diligence on any stock or underlying that they intend to own. 100% of the content of this video and communique is intended for journalistic and educational purposes only. This video and all indicators, strategies, and articles herein should not be construed as investment advice. Thank you for your patience with that. So as always, we start our videos off with a 2-year weekly chart of the Russell Index. We use the Russell as our simple proxy for overall market health, strength, and direction. And because we never want to put a new chart forward to our viewers unless we're putting it forward in a rising market environment. So as regular viewers well know, we've been keeping an eye on this blue channel line that the Russell traded in through much of 2014 and then had this breakout to the upside in early 2015 in this nice run up. And then price fell below the 8-day EMA. This blue line is the 8-day EMA. So as soon as price fell below the 8-day EMA, we stopped putting out any new chart picks because I do not want to put charts forward in a falling market environment. So we've been very patiently waiting until price on the Russell moved up and over this upper blue band. So we put a chart out here, but then price came back in. But happy to say price is now up and over. I'm filming this at about 7:15 on Tuesday morning. The futures are up in a pretty healthy manner. So although this is a weekly chart, it looks as though the uptrend may resume here. So I'm going to move it away from the weekly chart to the daily chart so you can really see the price action in a better way. So as you can see, in August and September, we had that very ugly price action that brought us right back down to the bottom of the channel where price was defended. And then we started to kind of trade sideways to up, but with this look and it being up and over the blue band and with the futures up this morning, I'm going to put a new chart forward, which I'm very excited about because that's what I love to do. So as you well know, at Chart of the Day Cafe, it's all about value and growth in compelling trends. So today's compelling trend that I wanted to talk to you about, oh my gosh, is mobile payments. And this company sits right smack dab in the middle of it. Synaptics Inc. So before we get into the chart, I'm just going to tell you a little bit more about this company and the fundamentals. Synaptics Incorporated is a developer and supplier of custom-designed human interface solutions that enable people to enact with a range of mobile computing, communication, entertainment, and electronic devices. So in short, what I love about Synaptics, they're the company behind the biometrics 3D touch screen for smartphones and so many other devices. Oh my gosh, this company is so amazing. They're currently trading at $89.77, but they're worth $150.35. Wow. A really nice high value score there. It's got a forecasted earnings growth rate of 24%, a PE of 13.11. It does not pay a dividend, but the thing again that I really wanted to highlight for you is that SYNA's sales growth last year was 66%. Wow. So now let's get into the chart. This is the 2-year weekly chart. You can see the way it's kind of had this wavy up and down, but we're up and over. I've drawn in my orange line of support. We're up and over this area. I want you to note the volume and the bullish candle that helped create the thrust that brought us up to this area and over that area of what was resistance, which is now support. So we're looking at the weekly chart, but I just wanted you to know we are up and over this area. Now I'm going to pull it away from the 2-year weekly to the 9-month daily so you can really see price. The reason I'm putting it forward to you this morning is because I think it's in a really great place right here, right now. So there again is that big candle that brought us up to this area, and then price sort of danced around for a number of days, had lift, came in, and it's doing the same thing here. I think that SYNA is one for you to really keep an eye on in this area here. So I would not be too surprised in a continued strong market environment over the next couple of days You know, at Chart of the Day Cafe, it's all about the blue line. Price must be up and over the blue 8-day EMA. But I would suspect that we'll probably get a bullish candle someday soon, either today or tomorrow. That's why it's timely. And if we do, I think this is one for you to keep an eye on. I just wanted to tell you a quick story. I went to the shopping on last Thursday. It was the American Thanksgiving, and I went to the Apple store and I bought some stuff with my cell phone. I enabled my phone with Apple Pay, and oh my gosh, the 3D technology. So you just put your thumb on the button that identifies you as the buyer, and oh my gosh, it was smooth and unbelievable. So I just think this is a trend that is not going away anytime soon. I'm also going to flag this Fortune article that was dated in October of this year. How mobile payments will grow in 2016. Here's the number I want you to pay attention to. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go down. I'll include this article with my video today. Forecasting 210% growth in the total value of mobile payment transactions in 2016. Whoa, that is a big number. The other thing that I wanted to put in front of you is Synaptics is in the new Apple iPhone 7. So this I will include as well. They also are embedded in Google Android devices. Their technology seems to be very singular, unbelievable. So I think Synaptics is a company that you want to keep an eye on. So we've got the fundamentals, we've got the value growth component, and the catalyst underneath it is the growth that we will be seeing in the mobile payment space. So with that, I will leave you and put SYNA forward as my chart of the day for Chart of the Day Cafe today, Tuesday, December 1st. Oh, I also wanted to say I am going to, so far I've been emailing you guys these videos. I'm going to ask you to go over to my YouTube channel and subscribe, because in January of this year, I'm going to stop emailing these videos and just take that one little extra step off my workload. So head over to YouTube, Chart of the Day Cafe, and subscribe. Thanks. Have a great day.